In this video, I'll show you how to sell your crypto on Binance and get the cash back into your bank account. In my region, Binance offers a bank transfer off-ramp, which is very easy, and I'll show you exactly how to use this. However, in your region or country, you may not have a bank transfer option. In that case, you may not be able to off-ramp from Binance. What I'll do down in the description is put the major crypto exchanges and the currencies that they support for off-ramping. So if you can't use Binance, what you can do is just take your crypto, send it to a different exchange, and then easily off-ramp it at one of those exchanges. I'll put all of the major exchanges down below and the currencies that they support, and then tutorial videos for those down in the description as well if you need them. Most payment institutions are going to want to deal with stable coins to off-ramp your crypto. So US dollar stable coins like USDT or USDC are going to be mostly accepted. So you can take those stable coins and value from those and then off-ramp it into your local currency. So if you've got another crypto asset like Bitcoin or something else, they're probably not going to want to deal with that to actually off-ramp it. So what you'll have to do first is take whichever crypto that you have and sell it into USDC or USDT. So what we can do is go to trade and go to the spot market. And once we're there, we want to sell the crypto that we have. So you can search for cryptos that you have right here in your account. And let's say you've got some BNB coin or Bitcoin or something like that. You want to go to sell right here on the right hand side. And I'm going to sell BNB for USDC. So I go to the USDC pairs. I put in BNB that I have, this one right here. So that's the crypto that I have, BNB coin. I'm selling it for USDC. On the right hand side, I press sell. I'll just choose a market order here. I'll sell, some amount of it and just press sell BNB or whatever crypto that you have, sell it right here. You'll pay a small trading fee here on Binance, but yeah, it's 10 basis points or something. And that will take it into USDC or USDT, whichever is more accepted in your region you can use. And then we can use that to off-ramp our cash. Now that we've got a stable coin in our account, we can use that to off-ramp into cash. So we come back to the buy and sell page. So buy crypto, buy and sell, go to sell on the right hand side, and we can spend the stablecoin that we have, USDC, USDT are going to be fine, and choose the fiat currency that you want to receive here. And the receive method for me is the bank transfer option. Now, I worked out the fees to be around about 1.5%. So between off-ramping the dollars and what the exchange rate should be, they're going to be taking around 1.5% in fees by the time it gets into your bank account. But we're going to click bank transfer right here. And you can click right here, sell the stablecoin that you have, and it's going to take you through the sign up process to actually get the bank transfer into your bank account. I'll show you the process I went through signing up with Roma and then off-ramping the stablecoins. You may or may not have this option in your region. So it's going to automatically take you through, and I did this on the phone. You may find it easier to do it on the phone, but you're going to have to do KYC with this payment institution, which means ID card and everything else. Now, luckily, Binance auto-link your Binance KYC to Roma. So you don't really need to provide much. It's going to do everything automatically for you. So you need to sign up or log in, and it's going to auto-populate your Binance email address in here. If you want to use the same one, then you can press next. From there, it goes through to the login. So it will send the 6-digit code to your email address. Just find the code and then put that in, and then it logs into Roma. From there, it says setting up your account. It took literally 2 seconds and it did that, but it took me through a KYC process. So it says you'll be automatically redirected to a quick KYC process. And I won't show you the details there, but it just asked me for my name and address and residency and everything like that. Most of that is auto-populated from Binance anyway. If there's any errors or anything, just put in the correct details. And from there, that's it. I believe I had to scan my face as well, just to check that my face was the same as the ID that they had on file. But all of that is from Binance anyway, which you've definitely KYC'd for, right? So from there, it says your profile has been verified. And what I had to do is just close this page, and it was already verified. So I'm basically done at that point. Now what we have to do is actually go ahead with that transfer. So if you can automatically go ahead with the transfer, do that. If you can't, go back into the sell page, put the details in again, and then it's going to say, okay, you've already signed up for Roma. Now we can add your bank account. Now for me in my region, it just asked me for my bank account name. So that's the name that I have on my bank account. That has to be the same between your bank and Binance and Roma if you're using Roma. Has to be the same name. And then just for the IBAN of my account, if you're in different countries, you may have a different system here, like a sort code or account number or something else, but it's going to ask you in your region, and you just put the details of your bank account in. So whichever bank that you want to send money to, put the details in here, name and IBAN or other account details. From there, it says, yep, sure, that's been linked. how much do you want to sell, and where do you want it to go? Can you check all the details? So it says complete the order here. So you're selling an amount of, for me it was USDT. You can see the quotation here. Again, I think it's around 1.5% in the fees between the interbank rate and the bank exchange rate that I'm getting here. And the arrival time, it said up to 2 working days. It took about 7 minutes, I think it was, between accepting this and the money actually arriving in my account. So it was nowhere near 2 days. It was very quick and it happened quickly. You receive this amount, check everything here. And then 2, this is the bank account that I added. Once you've added that bank account, that will be on file, and you can add multiple bank accounts here as well to send to, as long as they have the same details as the details on your Binance account. So that took 7 minutes, 1.5% in fees, and it off-ramped a stablecoin into the cash that I have locally here. Once that's done, it says, do you want to check the sell details in your account? You can press that link. Fiat history, this is in your Binance account now. It will take you right through to this, and you can see buy and sell here. So what I've done is sold an amount of USDC, and that was processing at the time. Literally like 7 minutes later, the cash was actually deposited into my bank account. This option may or may not be available in your region, so you'll have to check the support in your own Binance account. And if you need details on how to get cash out via a card payment, I've got a specific video guide on that in the description below. I'm James, it's MoneyZG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.